Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brad Matheny. Today is July 15th. This is a monthly gold chart. And the reason I'm doing this video today is to highlight something very, very important. We are now moving into an extended upward trend in gold. We have moved into this bullish trend. Take a look here. The GAN vibration system went bullish on October 2nd. The long-term stochastics has been bullish quite a while, since way back over here, October 1st, 2019. And we're getting pushed up into this extended rallying phase on the short-term stochastic and the RSI. So what we're looking at here, ladies and gentlemen, is almost an immediate attempt to get up into this 2550, 2650 area, in my opinion, on gold. Then we're going to see some sort of a pullback, which may reset these systems a bit. Remember, the pullback itself can be fairly quick. It may not really reset these too deeply. But again, we're looking at a move that I think could push gold up into the 3,500 to 3,750 area by March of 2025. That's pretty impressive when you think that it's a 60 to 70% upside move. Let's take a look. So where we're at right now, yeah, it's about a 60% move, 55 to 60% move to the upside. And again, everything is really well lining up. Now, the monthly, because we've been in this upward trend, if you watch my understanding indicators video, you'll understand that these longer term 1473 indicators, these are going to be already overbought in an extended move like this. You've already got more than 14 bars to the upside. They're going to be fairly overbought. This longer term stochastics is sitting down at 62. This thing could continue for a while, folks. And now let's go take a look at the weekly data, which is going to show a little bit more of the intermediate price. So you can see we've just come back off a moderate pullback. We're now hooking to the upside. Same thing with RSI. Same thing with the long-term stochastics, and my GAN vibration system has been long since February 20th. Again, this is a better picture at what's likely to happen here. Moving up into this area, 26, maybe 2,700, maybe a little higher, consolidating into a sideways flag formation. As you know, I am very good at drawing channels and trying to highlight price reflection. So let's go ahead and try to highlight this channel here. And instead of going all the way back, let's move it to here. And then copy, paste, try to move it across these upper areas. Go back and find some resistance, which we can right there. Actually, I'd rather keep it there. Okay, extend this out. And extend this out. And see if I can hide that. And so there's our channel. There's our upward channel going up. Eventually, we're going to set up a new channel. Okay, eventually, we're going to set something up after this move is established, depending on where it consolidates. We're going to set something potentially up like this, maybe like this. Try to do this in bright orange, I guess. And so we're going to maybe see some kind of a channel in this mode, possibly moving us even higher. And that's what I'm going to expect as we continue to move through this mode. We're going to keep moving into what I call a parabolic advancement of price. So you can see I've already drawn it up to this 4,500 or 4,300 area. Eventually, ladies and gentlemen, it goes all the way up. It goes all the way up. And again, you'll see way out here on gold, goes all the way up to 7,500 plus. And that's the parabolic move with setting up right now. We're going to move from this channeling to a more aggressive channeling, and then we're eventually going to get into this very steep move up, which could actually rally well above 9,500. But let's go take a look at silver real quick. I'm just highlighting this for you because gold could make a move, a 60% rally move between now and the middle of next year. That's only 12 months away, potentially seeing a very big move in gold. Silver is doing the same thing, but it's lagging gold and has yet to get up into this breakaway phase. So for us, you can see here, drag these back out of the way. Silver's already been bullish on a weekly chart. The long-term stochastics is up. The short-term stochastics is hooking, starting to hook, barely. And the RSI had been up and has come back down a little bit. I think that when gold makes its move over the next month or so, silver's going to follow, and silver's going to go up here to about $35, $40, and then consolidate into this range. You can see I drawn this thing here, this ellipse here, that I think will be a good pause area for silver. Then we're going to get into that move, that parabolic move up into this expansion phase pattern. And that's going to be a move for silver to get above 63 to say 73. And then we could stay in this range for a period of time, trying to consolidate out depending on what gold does. Gold is going to hit this consolidation too. Okay. So you'll see it on both the charts. I'll go back to gold real quick, and you'll see how I have the consolidation in the expansion cycle setting up very cleanly. And I think that's going to last probably until the end of 2025. Okay. And we'll go back here to silver, see if I've got roughly the same drawing until the end of 2025. It's pushed a little differently, but ideally silver lags gold. So even though I could move this a little bit like this, the real reality is silver lags gold. So even if I were to readjust the timeline, silver's going to lag gold in this move by probably 3 months, 3 months. That's what you're seeing down here. Silver's making a good move, but gold is really going to lead this rally. So again, we're not going to get into big accumulation until we get up in this area. Okay, this is when gold is going to all of a sudden be very attractive to everybody, and it's probably going to come at some expense. When I say expense, it could be an unraveling of some global finance, it could be extended war, it could be, I mean, who knows? It's 2025. It could be something related to U.S. politics. It could be, I don't know. But this looks to me like gold and silver, metals in particular, are getting ready to make a huge move to the upside. And it could be just a week or two away before we see gold, up above, say, 25.50, and silver sitting here at 30 right now, it looks like. Well, let me make sure. Well, there it is, 30.84. So again, we've got silver very high right now, and a move silver up above 38 to 40 would put a lot of focus on gold and silver. Same thing with gold. A move of gold up above 25.50, 2600 would put a lot of focus on the metals right now, in the sense that global traders are in high demand for physical metals. So be aware that, something looks like it's going to break. I don't know what it is. My bet is it'll be global, not US centric. And I do believe that this setup is a very strong indicator for those of you who have ignored metals, and really want to protect yourself. It may be wise for you to take a portion of your investment portfolio and move into some metals stocks, particularly for those who are capable of getting physical metals. I want you to be aware, this looks like a very solid move in metals. setting up over the next 12 to 24 months. And I just want to continue to bring this to your attention. If you're a gold trader or a silver trader, please follow my research and pay attention to what I'm doing. I have a lot of videos on TradingView. I'm trying to help you. And really, I'm pushing these things out to keep you aware of what I see happening going forward. The long and short of it is, this is a great opportunity. And if my research continues to play out, because I started sharing these setup phases back here, the breakaway phase back here, and the expansion phase over here, I set these things up over a year and a half ago. Kept telling people that this is what it's going to do. This is what it's going to do. And whether you listen to me or not, it's playing out almost exactly like I had projected. Now we just need to see the price move into this breakaway phase for silver. We're already in this phase right now for gold. And that's why, like I said, silver is going to lag maybe by about 6 months. So, if you're new to metals, maybe go try to look at silver because it's going to lag a bit, but gold's going to rally maybe 60%. Silver is going to rally maybe 120% up into this area. So understand that there's going to be a very big move in gold and silver. And I think it all starts to hit around January, February, March of 2025, right around the new US president inauguration. Okay, guys, talk to you later.